am back with Helen. We washed her from her color. I'm going to show you the cut now. Remember, she is growing out from the short Pixie. And I'm going to show you how we keep growing it out so she doesn't get totally frustrated and just chop it off. Because that happens a lot. Yeah. It can, right, Helen?
Yes.
Okay, so what I've said before, I always love to keep the back cut short while the top and sides grow out to it. Okay, so I'm just coming straight across here. It's so funny. I was just thinking, cutting this, I'm like, the other day, we was at church and Braylon's behind me. She's like, Mom, you need to shave your neck. I'm like, thank you, sweetheart. Just because I was going to say, I'm just going to clean up your neck. And it just reminded me that my daughter always tells me, Mom, you need to clean up your neck. Yeah, I know. Just can't do it myself. I've tried before and it's a little funky, but it's okay. It's fine. Okay, so now what, and usually with shorter, I start up here, but growing out, I'm going to come down here. I'm just going to kind of just hold this hair out of the way. Now, I want to keep this close. I mean, I don't have my hand, touching her head here. So it's not like extremely short, but I do want to keep this shorter back here while we're growing. Because what happens most of the time is it takes longer for the front to grow out when, while the back is like totally growing out. And then sometimes you feel like you have a mullet going on. So it's so much better and easier to just keep this back shorter while the other catches up to it. And then when it catches up, then the back and stuff, it does grow faster. And so it catches up and they grow together. So it's nice. Okay, so you can see how that's tight here. Okay, same thing here. Keep this tight. Helen, I cannot believe how much this has grown. It is crazy.
In 4 weeks. Huh?
Yes, 4 weeks. Okay, let me comb that down in.
Well, when it starts flipping up on the side,
Yeah, you know it's time, right? It's so true. So true. Okay. Okay, so that's tight. Now what we'll do is bring down, let me just comb that, we don't need the clip. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna show you guys. So you can see this guide point right here, and that's the top. So we're gonna connect that. So we take that little bit of hair off. Okay. Same thing here. You're getting more used to having it be more flat, aren't you, Helen?
Yeah.
So that took a little bit, right? Can you explain how to how to get through that? You just keep going, huh?
Yeah, it's hard.
Hard.
When you're used to, I mean, it's like you said, it looks like it's not done. You feel like it's not
Right.
styled and.
So you probably have to go with people saying, oh, your hair looks cute.
Yep.
You know, because you're not used to it looking like that, but yet when other people see it, they love it. So
yeah, I had a lot of comments, you know, when you had it short,
but you're getting them now too
yeah.
with it. Good. Yeah, see, that does get you by. If you can still have compliments, that's a good thing. I remember when my hair was longer. I mean, just it depends. You know what I mean? Like how people, if they love it, you know, it's funny the different compliments you get when it's short and long. Okay, now what I'm going to do is come up this way. And I want to make sure everything is good straight across. Okay, so those are good. Maybe a little there. Okay, good there. Now we'll double check this side.
So is the back close to being?
Yeah, it's getting there. This length is crazy to me. I cannot believe how it's grown. Okay, so you can see where I've cut this. Okay, there's this guide point and we're growing this. So we're connecting these, but we don't want to take a lot of length off. So we're just gonna kind of just barely take these little ends off to connect with the top. Okay, whoa, there goes. Okay, so same thing here. We're gonna come from where that guide point, just take those little ends off. Same thing here, just all of that, just barely take that off. Because we're trying to get this length to come down with this and the sides. Wow, I can't believe it, Helen. I just keep holding your hair out like it's really this long.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see this is catching up to here, and then when I dry it, you'll be able to see it also. Okay, now for the sides, I'm just gonna hold those out and barely just trim those, because like I say, we're growing out, but we don't wanna take length, but you have to trim to grow. That will be like your best friend. Some people think, you know, well, I'm growing my hair, so I'm not gonna cut it. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't work that way. So, or you're gonna end up not even growing it out. So yeah, see, just barely. Okay, same thing here, because we're growing this. So I'm just going to hold this down. Barely take that. See, and this is coming down here. This used to be short up here. And it is getting there. I'm so proud of you, Helen. You're really like...
I told you I'd stick it out.
That's right. Absolutely. Same thing. Just very little trim. Okay. Now, trim the length, tiny bit, and then just barely take these, because we're still growing those. Okay, and I'm gonna dry those first to see if we need to take any, because I don't think we need to take length off of those. Okay, now, Helen's hair is fine, but she has a lot of it, so it gets heavy. I like to chunk her hair out. It just stands up so much better for her, which she's not standing it up as much, but she needs, totally needs the texture through here, or it'll just be heavy and bulky. Especially I'm kind of coming through her ends too, so it's not like helmet head. Right? People are laughing out there because I know when people start to grow their hair out, that's kind of what you feel like at first. You know what I mean? Like, oh, got a helmet head a little bit. But Helen, even when you come in, it was just cute. It really is looking super cute on you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, now for styling, root lifter, mousse, and then when I get done, if I feel like we need any more texture anywhere, if it feels thick, we will get it. But I'm gonna make sure before I do too much. It's always easier to do it once it's dry. Okay, gonna make sure my flat iron's on. Okay, and then the back, just go down, and I'm excited for her to see the dark back. That's gonna be fun. So just back and forth with the fingers like this. And I'm going this way because we want some volume, even though, you know, she's gonna part it this side. Okay, then back here, I'm gonna round brush this. This will give it volume. I'm so excited for you guys to see her grow this out. It's super fun. It's so crazy to like have hair to round brush by your sides. It's awesome. So cute. And then of course when we're done, I'll go ahead and flat iron it. Feeling better? Okay. this down. So this, and you can leave it, you know, the way it looks with the round brush too, or flat iron it, either or, but we're just flat ironing it just a little bit here. You're gonna love having the red back. That's for sure. All right. Now a little bit back through here. And then just this top a little. Okay, now I'm going to take the styling paste, just a little bit, just to piece out these little layers through here. Okay, your sides are coming. They're getting there. Okay, I'm just making sure that both of these ears that we're even. Okay. Make sure your bangs are pieced out enough. Okay, you're just gonna back comb this so it has a little bit of volume through here. Wow, this time, Helen, it's gonna look more like
Where
more of
I'm
an
headed.
A-line. Yeah, where you're headed. So that is fun. Okay, now I'm gonna turn her around so she can see.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Red? I know, does it feel crazy that it's like you have a lot of hair? It's like, what is this? Love it. So cute.
I do like the color.
Okay, good. Does that feel better?
Yes.
Okay, sweet. All right, well, thank you, Helen. Thanks to all of you. I'm gonna just turn her around one more time. So cute. Okay, well, thanks you guys. I appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time when she gets a cut. We'll show you the cut next time, but thanks.